can't find my stud. Can I mount my TV? Well, the answer is yes. You can mount your TV although you have used your stud finder, but you still can't find your metal stud or your wood stud behind your drywall. Alright, CondoMounts do offer you studless TV mounts. So how do you fix the studless TV mounts on a drywall? So here I have a mock wall to show you how to mount a studless TV mount onto a drywall. Alright, so first you gotta make a 1/2 inch hole, okay, using a 1/2 inch drill bit. Alright, in CondoMounts we do have packages that comes with drill bits and also anchors together with the TV mount, the wall TV mount, studless TV mount, so it makes your work easy. Alright, so firstly you gotta make the hole, 1/2 inch hole, and then you gotta use these wall anchors. Okay, these are specially designed wall anchors used for studless drywall. So you gotta make sure that the metal here is bent like this and push it over through the hole that you have just made. Alright, push it through the hole. Yeah, the wall is moving here a bit. And then there you go. So when it goes through the wall, the hole that you made on the wall, okay, then next will be a very easy step actually. Okay, you just if you look at this elephant anchor here, you have this clip right here. You gotta hold this part, okay, it's already given here, and you gotta push this clip right to the end of the wall. Right, just push this and there you go. So after pushing this is tighter, and now what you gotta do is you just have to move this extra bit of clip, right, back and forth so that it comes off the anchor, I mean the elephant anchor. So when you're done with this, the next steps are pretty much simple. Okay, I'm just going to show you today with this. This is actually brackets, okay, TV brackets. I'm going to show you how to fix the anchor, the drywall to the drywall. Alright, so you just place these screws. Okay, make sure the screws are suitable to the size of the drywall anchor. Alright, so I just fix this and show it to you. Alright, and just screw it in. So I have done screwing the screw into the wall. Okay, so what happens here is actually, if you look closely, okay, the metal part of the anchor, okay, attaches to the screw, and make sure your TV mount is tight, okay, and it's attached to the drywall. But remember, if you are going to use a studless TV mount, do not choose an articulating TV mount because it's going to injure your TV drywall and your TV might fall off. So it is better to use a non-articulating or fixed or maybe tilt TV mount. It is not advisable to use an articulating TV mount which comes out from the wall because it's gonna damage your drywall, because this structural integrity is not so strong, the drywall, right? Unless you have a stud behind and well, you manage to find a stud, then it's a different case. So that is how you fix your TV mount on a studless drywall.